Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing devices. Make sure the Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, install the Fitpro app and sign in. This centralizes settings and permissions so data flows correctly. Open Fitpro and tap the Add Device option, then pick the Apple Watch symbol. This triggers discovery. You do this because Fitpro needs authorization to read and write health data, and initiating pairing from the app ensures the correct profile links to your watch. Now you authorize data exchange. When Fitpro asks, enable health access, notifications, and location if prompted, because health permissions allow steps and heart rate to sync. Next, watch for pairing prompts on the Apple Watch. Tap Accept and choose Trust on your iPhone when asked. Once accepted, begin the initial sync inside Fitpro. This uploads settings and historical data. Let the sync run to completion. Interruptions cause missing metrics, so keep both devices close and on screen during this step. Finish by verifying that steps, heart rate, and workout entries appear in Fitpro. You should see recent activity within a few minutes. If data is missing or pairing failed, first restart the Apple Watch and iPhone, then open Fitpro and attempt repairing. This clears transient Bluetooth errors. If problems persist, reinstall Fitpro and regrant health permissions. Toggling health access forces a fresh data pull. Use that one troubleshooting tip. Reset permissions and resync to resolve most sync glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.